Ang mga kaiba na naman din, ako tulad ng kakain. Single scoop. Ano kayang masarap doon?
This I can go.
Yun, that one, hazelnut. No? 1 mini hazelnut pwede rin doon. Mini cone hazelnut.
What are the sauces?
Yun. May small. Ayun, nandiyan sa likod. Sa likod niya.
But I can see a chocolate flavor. Like this is our chocolate.
Yeah, okay.
flavor.
1 mini hazelnut. Hazelnut can try.
Green apple.
It's hard to see. It takes places up or
Hindi
something.
kaya masarap. Chocolate. At masarap yan, Jamil.
Chocolate ako.
Chocolate. Alin chocolate gelato? Chocolate hazelnut.
Sorbet.
Alin? Asan ang sorbet? Ito.
Cone or cup?
Ano?
Cone or cup?
That's for mommy. This is for you.
This is for Marina. Yeah, the one.
Marco chocolate coffee. Oh, ang $80 ang
Pop.